A hearty welcome to yet another edition of Saloon Talent live here on Star TV channel 21 and on the internet broadcast at www.starradiosl.com. I'm your guy Bosh. Entertainment news lineup for you. One-on-one interview with one of our prominent star and top 10 videos countdown with Sienna White. Just tell me, I'll be right back. As continuous advocacy is still on to support victims affected by the Monday, August 14, 2017 mudslide and flood disaster, which claimed the lives of many people in Freetown, Isaiah Washington has posted on his Twitter account, encouraging people around the world to support Sierra Leone. Isaiah Washington is an American actor, a veteran of several Spike Lee films. Washington is best known for his role as Preston Bob on the ABC medical drama Grey's Anatomy from 2005 until 2007. Washington currently plays Thelonious Jaha on the CW's The 100. A genealogical DNA test conducted by African Ancestry revealed that Washington's maternal ancestry can be traced to what is now Sierra Leone and that he has an ancestral link to the Mende and Timini people. He visited Sierra Leone and received a warm welcome from local people, marking the beginning of his charity work, and was granted a Sierra Leonean citizenship, making him the first African American to be granted full citizenship based on DNA.
We are giving to Isaiah Washington Sierra Leone's citizenship. Let me welcome you back home. We are indeed very, very proud of the resilience you have taken in your search for home.
We're doing it the way Sierra Leone does it. And all I had to do was just stand up and say the words. I,
Isaiah Washington.
Isaiah Washington. That's all you had to do before the...
Multiple awards-winning Sierra Leonean music group LXG, the League of Extraordinary Guys, the first group from Sierra Leone to be nominated in MTV Mamas Awards in the category of Listener's Choice in 2016, has also dropped their tribute song titled Serious Time.
Some serious times, people them a die, natural disaster, yeah. See the tears in my eyes. These are some serious times, people them a die, from natural disaster. Tears in the eye. This kind of matter loud, so serious. Brothers and sisters, don't leave us. Allahu Akbar, Allahu God save us. Yeah, vanity, yeah. For people where they act like for say there's no tomorrow. Can't you see, yeah? Make we take our time and walk towards tomorrow.
And finally, in this entertainment news, Sierra Leonean Paris-based singer and songwriter Mohamed Kamara, known by his stage name Easy K, the chief executive officer for Easy Paris Production, has officially released the long-awaiting Baby Muna video.
See, yeah, nah. Easy K, Baby Muna, Mr. Lucky Muna, where are you? Yeah, nah. Me first them people say to love no they again, no. Because the way things they go high, I get this me baby. In name Namuna, he respects me, he always stay for push me. This baby not a joke for me.
For the entertainment news on Star TV, I am Moe Basiru Sanusi in Freetown. Yes, we're still in the studio with Mahmoud, Mr. Watalara, the slim guy, the potential American man. Nice to get you on Star TV.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much. My pleasure being here, man.
The first time I get you is a Saloon Talent. How you look like?
I guess I don't do. Doctor, I don't do. I think I want to do.
Oh, well.
Yes, I don't do.
Only thing I interview.
If I do like I put me on a new video. Okay. That I'm here for you.
Alright.
Yeah, for your video.
Okay.
But you know about the back. Yes, now I do the doctor.
I know. So how like I look like Mahmoud, you know, how like from back where you did, back up to LXG, move on DIC, now it scare me. How do I look like?
Well, all I get for saying, I thank you, Jesus. because for Mahmoud for be Mahmoud today, na the special grace of God. See Mahmoud, na bomb no money bomb, but I do good.
Okay. So let's focus now on what you have to do with back in the days when you used to support the LXG to DIC and KME. How you don't transform yourself from then back up and then I'm a Superman.
I know. Well, I can always say this LXG, like na a family side, na a grassroots, you know, and the south side Mahmoud come on, that ground Mahmoud rise up to Mahmoud gets that kind of package like anytime pastor Mahmoud come to DIC. I almost salute to make 7 himself begin for game will be play for Mahmoud inside. I used to see the result. See how they go like from I don't come up from Pepe Water or Moju, but I don't come here and scatter the city. And that man,
okay.
I think they go.
You want for take people how the Mahmoud name come about?
Well, Mahmoud, like I get this Mahmoud name because of the way I've been dressed. I come here for look one day. Coming up, I will look for a gown. Okay. Always a gown, white gown. Money net I do with my gown. He say Mahmoud, he say if you are posting, I will call up posting the one of the Libanese. So now I get that name the Mahmoud and get for introduction pram. Ostebon. When I been the first seat for LXG.
Okay, so since after the Mahmoud name, you appreciate them.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And it's the pass now they on the video. What they call Mahmoud? Say I pose. So you know look at it. Watch that video there.
And your first official song in the studio?
I can say the song will like come like what I do first. The official song na Superman with LXG. Where LXG then feature me. I'm a Superman. If you watch the video again, you can see Mahmoud. They've been so small. Let's see how far Mahmoud don't come over. But doctor, you know now.
You know. The first official song. Yeah. So when have you versed again? You still remember you versed in that song there?
Don't say. A couple of songs now. But pass if you play back and then I can hear before we call.
Okay. No. And after that, when you begin get your normal song for yourself, it's okay. This is not Mahmoud. Despite life goes on.
Well, Mahmoud first now. Let's tell you this. I do audio engineering and I produce for myself. I'm an engineer for myself. Also, like after the Superman side, I come with Makane when I play. We are doing a Lanzomatic in studio, and I also do Pepe Water with EZK when I playback. I do a back Lanzomatic in studio, we mix and master them. I do a couple of songs for that big artist them back because I like that man.
Wow. And I don't move on to this KME. How many songs you get with KME now?
Oh, song them back here, we are the record. I think Mahmoud they do now. Wait for we. Come and see. Now we turn today. I get a couple of songs, and now where can I also? I've been able to do that song. You see. Like I able to tell you say now so amount song again because I wake morning time I get different song where they start and left the one first. Other day I can go complete that one, we don't start and then.
So you never perform. Most times people don't watch you. You left Life Goes On. Life Goes On always don't be part of your performance. Then why?
Yeah, because that song, as you say, people in the relate to because of the words them we did in the song. Whenever like anytime you play, people must get that feeling. So when we don't tell and say I lucky, we don't tell and say you know we ever better. Now every day word we tell people them. So whenever the song play, hey, it's one song here in Rose, a song day. And I thank you for that.
Okay, tell me small thing, but the line way Bonato use against you.
Yeah, we're not going to be party. After the week we left that song, they call me back and say, hey Moody, I say yeah. I say I call me for that song. I say yes. He called me name. I say if I pick it clear. I say the man that build up the industry. Yeah, good.
Okay, so what are the relationship between you and
Rose? I can always say, as you say, no, I'm a sister. Though people don't make an out saying I'm a woman, I'm a sister. She is my sister. I'm a sister, and that sister is me, brother and sister.
Take me some verse them inside Life Goes On.
I can start with say, why you for hate me? When me papa na heaven elect me, elect you juju affect me. I dey shine like a star, come embrace me, yeah. Come embrace me. Therefore the talk about Mahmoud, but doctor, I want to say something. They left this negativity in this country.
What's it again?
Hey, I say I grab one day I go some side, but due to this report electricity business, we like not been there before, not been charged. I just get rumors say, and say Mahmoud don't die and don't. You get accident and all. One more time for people they talk about that man. Respect so now. We can't say Mahmoud don't reach that side. Maybe they forget for each. I say bravo to her. Yeah, but always stop this negativity, man.
Okay, but we're not focused now on your contract with KME. People want to know how many years they say you can do motorcar and you host a couple of them things and they don't come to the public and you get big feature in them for good with KME. Tell us more about the KME contract.
KME, I can tell you, say KME is a blessing at this country, and this part of country. Salon, KME is a blessing. For me, for be part of KME, I want to say I thank God. I start to say I tell God thank you for all waiting that happen around me right now. Well, KME, as people know, the only way they see me in the street, no they can't move car they drive. They drive local. The only local I drive now the Camry 2015 way I test them days here. People then begin to talk at him and say, hey, they don't be say then get how they make up. Even we get a new stages now. But I want to say I thank God for KME because we see you they try for CC. We be like artists and it make with that star way like other countries they look at their own musicians then. But now I see they drive me big James. I even afraid for the guy and Sony because they go then small. Doctor, they go small. So now I they manage all the Q7. It's in the mind because it's small, it's another kind of thing. But I really thank God for KME and God only put him blessing.
Okay, upon all the songs that we want to release, some of Juba, Kamia, I mean that's I know. Kamia don't get a lot of prominence and even the video self.
I know.
So you don't find hotel and all.
I know.
Tell us more about Kamia.
See, well I can say this, you see, for anything for it be good, not to play, and money and hard work. You see the video. You appreciate time as you look for the first time, you look for looking back. You put a lot of money for that video. Don't give disclose like the money we spend for that video, but we see yourself going to say it's everything use to pick and play. So you see, more videos they come, other songs in there. If you check with compilation, you see boku song in there. Like right now, we're only planning for Aminata video. Aminata will get Crack Twist and Samza. And we're also doing that. So people can just get set.
Online invest in Kamia very short. When that be invest again?
There no, baby. So you don't get her. I'm inside and day.
Interesting.
I know.
And I see you watch our.
Yes, the baby at guy for talk to and say make a talk to me all. Me not to me, but I still talk to me. But no more like get your attention. Baby not going to talk to me. But still, he end up to me brother back.
From after the you say they don't know you for this gown back in the days and you Mahmoudi. Now no more slim things that you wear. Everybody gets so you get your way of dressing.
I know.
They tag you now like so you know salon technology. Then send to dressing. Why you decide to get your own different looks?
When looking at me very well, you know see me in a possible so skinny. So like look and see if I wear big clothes or I wear big dresses, it go cover me. I don't give feel free. So I say this, I be glad just friends because it's good for me.
So what do you do to skinny?
Yeah, I do with me skinny. So do you know me now from stars, other musicians, we can't too skinny. Not try Mahmoudi. And you inside and the.
But you believe that the right trend of dress code you do so?
Even I go international now, you can know the road. Now this way I get for advert for people. Now this way Mahmoudi get for the dress. So we see me so.
Before we take a break, we're going to talk about the America go one.
Oh,
as you can see. I see you get your American tag already.
Yeah, it's also making business right now. And to be fans out there, when I continue to look out for Mahmoudi, welcome America come because we go very soon. Welcome. I dey make party for my fan them. So if you know say add me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, add me now because I get for share the location inside the party get for take place. Doctor, you ever talk on a TV back say we get party with Mahmoudi come because I dey go show the people the Uber and say salon. Now the thing.
So you can't go the skinny and you can't go Mahmoudi.
The skinny thing is not funny. If you say I don't pack them right now. Just to wait for the flight.
But now that's I want color man, no the color. Anyways, this is Mahmoudi still in the studio to represent KME. We'll join Sienna White for the top 10 videos. I want to come back and continue the rest of the show.
Hello. It's another fabulous Saturday and another top 10 countdown with your sexy girl CC. I know it's your fave time of the weekend because I bring you the hottest videos, trending and hitting it to the countdown chart. This is the only show that gives you a rundown of what's hot and what's not. And you know your girl definitely makes it drop right here, right now on Star TV channel 21 and on the internet on www.startv.sl. Stay tuned because I'll be right back.
It's so magnificent, y'all. It's your boy Kyle. Guess the threat. I see you, homie. One nation. You got to be stress free, Murcielago, I want the Maybach. Call the one that way down, 10 for the payback. Mango still shine. I like the day that Cal be the king, y'all. Since way back, round for the euros, hustle for the dollars. Push to make a penny, just to pop my collars. Kick it with the hustlers, probably with the scholars. We done it all, it's nothing they can tell us. It's time for the pepe. Grab the microphone, bring it, check it. Now take for shake you body, forget you worry, don't look nobody. Let me get it to the maximum. Tell the DJ blow the roof off, we attacking them. Everything is platinum, step in the building. They pack a brown, spit the real shit, hand them a pack of gum. Sick verses, no need to pack a gun. Do it for the warriors, rapping Freetown. Man, pack a gun.
Struggle, let dance this night away. No need for trouble, just push for a brighter day. It's time to dance, it's time to jubilate, it's time to make money. Oh yes, we got to live a life.
It's about that time for our trending videos for this week. We have Pete Wizzy with Feel For You, Prodigy featuring Block Jones with Show Them, and finally E+ with You and I.
It's your boy Pete Wizzy. One that feel me. Yes, boss. Anytime I see you, can show you sexy breasts. They make how they feel for you. Anytime I see the hook, I want play cool. They make how they feel for you. Baby, you not queen, you not jungle. I let that you bang. They make how they feel for you. Love the way you break it, the rank. I want by you back. They make how they feel for you. Baby, you fine, oh, yes, I know. They make how they feel for you. Baby, you fine, oh, too bad, oh. They make how they feel for you. She got it front, she got
Yeah. Block Jones again, oh. Oh no. Best on the beat. We get Fatima, we get Khadija, we get Adama, even get Hadiza, we get Aminata, we get Mariama, we get Aja Fanta. Oh no, Salon baby them fine, oh. And I saw them really savvy for wine. Then go fast in now you mind, oh. Oh, Salon baby you are one of a kind. So turn around and show them. Baby turn around and show them. Titi turn around and show them. Oh, baby, show them what you got here. Oh no, turn around.
I see you picture. I see all the reasons I know I'm for miss you. I see what you've been through. But baby, no stress, in a bomb like a missile. I see that figure eight. I see why that bob always sack you, they frustrate. But you know they relate. You they other level, the way you they operate. When you pass now the city, all man they call it, you looking so pretty. Show say you pack and but show them TT. I want make me and you connect like Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Sorry, you beauty confuse me. No need anybody else for convince me. The fact is I need you kind here with me. Vote for me, girl, be cocky with it. Damn, you sweet past cassava leaf. When you walk by, you they make a stiff. I will run after you like a hood.
Yeah. Na da 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 na na. Ipasi keno. Na na na. Yo ya da 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 da. Nuru.
Be cool for the DJ.
Hey, I've been looking at you, looking for somebody like you. Wanna kiss, wanna hold you too. If you look into my eyes, feel the butterflies, I know you do. Girl, you got me mesmerized. Your beauty fill my eyes. Come closer. wanna take over. Don't waste no time. Oh, I'm your soldier. Come closer. I'm your soldier. Let's talk about love. You and I. Let's.
Welcome back, guys. Last week we had Tara D with Levels. Indeed, when you're chilling with Obama, Levels Day. But it hasn't been an easy week for the artists because they've been going head to head for that #1 spot. I want to know who takes that #1 spot. Do you want to know who takes it? It's time for the countdown charts.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Coming in at number 10 for this week, it's Raheem the Wizard, Rara with Kiss For You.
It's Masterell on the beat, baby.
Over everything, girl, I choose you, yeah. Raheem the Wizard, Rara, Eastern Cartel, a tender baby. When them do me wrong, you do me right, oh. When them treat me bad, you treat me nice, oh. When you walk, I be your shadow. Before you call, I be right in front of your door. Cause my heart, they beat for you. Baby, I live for you. Everything I do, baby, is for you, you. One light, a lie, another lie, oh. Before I lose you, let me die, go. Baby, you the girl that I know. The only girl I know. I got a kiss for you, baby. A kiss for you, baby. Hey, over land, over sea, girl. You the girl that I see, oh. Over land, over sea, girl. You the girl that I see, oh. True love, not they die, oh. True love, not they die. You can cool my temper, you dey love me tender, January to December, you dey love me sweet, oh, love me good, oh. Even though them say me a bad boy, you still want to deal with me. Even though them say I don't get future, every day you deal with me. Love for you, no get control. Baby, can remote control me. Problem come, you can console me. All I need is you to come hold me. You want me bread and butter, me sugar water. Love me clean like a pure water. My love will never die, will never die, will never die, die. I got a kiss for you, baby. A kiss for you, baby. Hey, over land, over sea, girl. You the girl that I see, oh. Over land, over sea, girl.
Dropping at number 9 is My Own Brother from Another Mother, who maintained his position since last week. It's Drizzly with Adegode Bet.
Solos Beats.
Let's get for done, MP get for cut lights. Months get for done, body you not get for job tight. Monday to Friday from dough clean to nice life. Fire go to bed, semi player then I hustline. Hustle listen most unless you want for cut light. I've seen it on TV and yes I want the top line. Babalawo give some man and shots like. And they see all the man and they drop while we heading to the top like. I dey go the bet, 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 I dey go the bet. I dey go the bet, I dey go the bet, yeah. I dey go the bet. This time the smoke, then they burn oily. Anytime things sleep, you they turn oily. Sam, welcome to the kitchen, ingredients, perseverance. Janga yes for better, let we turn oily. By any means possible, not talking Illuminati. Shout out to the one that we know they do this thing for nothing. Sending motivation to the man and not the shanty. Beginning by making 30 million before the dance. I dey go the bet, I dey go the bet, I dey go the bet. I dey go the bet, 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 I dey go the bet. Slow for see me dumb on someone at the land, you for no more. Me make my man them and some they make cry add up. Me brand big phone, they call me for ask what up. If I sleep, and they wake me to pass, I don't cover me. Thoughts like this make me baby not the bother me. Who's that for pen and who's that for hustle, line them on me. Make a malice the bed and feel away they under me.
Moving straight it to our number 8 video for this week. The video dropped 1 space from number 7 to number 8. It's Ray with Ray Don't Count.
Warning. I said I rape on this one. Rape on this one, rape on this one. Here come the hot stepper. Gold on me neck, they shine like a shabba. Ranks, get boku money na the bank. LA, but let go be any man them LA. Wild way na the highway. All me goes na the teeth where they see me, they say highway. Fine girl in the irate. And when she smoke from me pipe, she feel irate. Try it, long as you keep it on the look, yeah. The cranium, nobody have a note, yeah. You name Julie, but me and Romeo, yeah. Behind closed doors, we can put on quite a show, yeah. That's how we roll. If you not know now, you know. We get the show this done from now till we Ray don't come. I say no Ray don't come. Ray don't come. Spend cash, no check, party man, we know the check, Ray don't come. I say no Ray don't come. Ray don't come. Spend cash, no check, party man, we know the check, Say we the pop bottles. Rock my dough, I'll double. Man, you can bust my bubble. Say we the pop bottles. Rock my dough, I'll double. Man, you can bust my bubble. So we pull up in them Range FJ Lexus. Back at the Hennessy Rose, that's us. Yeah, we young boys, but them OGs rest us. Not only for juju, but they God bless us. Now they buy me, they buy. Man, keep on fly like the bats in the sky. But man, they watch not from weed and they spy. One go kick like a weed, but they can't make one like. Oh, nah. And I saw with the road, yeah. The pop bottle and the side with the goat, yeah. Free tongue to last get the man, you know, yeah. We live like a movie, made the camera roll, yeah. And I saw with the road, yeah. The pop bottle and the side with the goat, yeah. Free tongue to Accra, man, you know, yeah. We live like a movie, made the camera roll, yeah. Action, let's go. Ray don't come. I say no Ray don't come. Ray don't come. Spend cash, no check, party man, we know the check, Ray don't come. I say no Ray don't come. Ray don't come. Spend cash, no check, party man, we know the check, Say we the pop bottles. Rock my dough, I'll double. Man, you can bust my bubble. Say we the pop bottles. Rock my dough, I'll double. Man, you can bust my bubble. Here come the hot stepper, murderer. I'm the lyrical gangster, murderer. Pick up your crew in the area, murderer. Still love it like that, murderer. Here come the hot stepper, murderer. I'm the lyrical gangster, murderer. Pick up your crew in the area, murderer. Still love it like that, murderer. Me are the real hot stepper, murderer. We hotter than paper, murderer. Make no boy no step ya, murderer. Cause we mother like that, murderer. Me are the real hot stepper, murderer. We hotter than paper, murderer. Make no boy no step ya, murderer. Cause we mother like that, Ray don't come. I say no Ray don't come. Ray don't come. Spend cash, no check, party man, we know the check, Ray don't come. I say no Ray don't come. Ray don't come. Spend cash, no check, party man, we know the check, Say we the pop bottles. Rock my
Africa Musole, Farafinkele, Salom Musole leads us to our number 7 video for this week, and it's our activist, singer, and so many other things. It's Jane Peters. She moved from number 10 to number 7 with Masake.
It's Jane Peters and baby.
You are so handsome, baby boy. I love you. Nothing can stop me from loving you, baby boy. Binyande goa, himya babo. Saturday can I get it go? Now you I've been there to care. Now you I've been there moko. But right now I don't get high stress, even a single baby. Akusana mingalo, alo masamoso. Nakanu tamaleka, nyana mo idumanyala.
Nakanu
Mazamuso sarang akusana mirala alo masaka meka nuna malaika niana moidu manyala
Laginekele
Afrika musole
Parafinkele
Salo musole Diana moidu manyala Baby, I see don't buy myself now, so wasabi oh. Wasabi touch you like me guitar. Ooh, baby oh, yeah.
Now you I've been there take care of. Now you I've been there moko. But right now I don't get hard stressed if I don't see you, baby. I put some name in alo masamoso. Nakandunda maleka.
Our number 6 video maintained its position since last week and is a fresh, exciting video from the UK. They have been in the game since 2012 when 2 solo artists decided to work together because they share the same passion for music. It's Issa and Hassan, commonly called Double Banks, takes the 6th spot with Murder. Maintained his number 5 position since last week, and guess what? He's planning to release a new video very soon, so watch out. It's Camouflage with Special Love. I go give you love, special love.
I go give you love, special love. Red flag music. Red bubble. Girl, you know the one, you know me only love again. I go give you love, special love. And now you want see, even when love is blindness. I go give you love, special love. I go give you loving, girl, when nobody no go kill, baby. I go give you love, special love. Kiss and nugging, girl, when nobody no go kill. I go give you love, special love. Girl, I love you. Are you I see when love is blind? And I need you, baby. You look so fine, you one of a kind. I go climb mountains for you. I go cross oceans for you. I go fight and die for you. Baby, you know my love is true. I go do anything for you. I go buy the ring for you. Yes, I do. Baby, you know my love is true, baby. Yeah, you got the one. You know me only love again. I go give you love, special love. And now you want see, even when love is blinded. I go give you love, special love. I go give you loving, girl, when nobody no go kill, baby.
I'm still not happy about our number 4 video, but this particular song is for the chillers. Not me, because I don't chill. It's Bad Kelly with Chill No More. Can't make we can't chill. We dey chill no more. We dey chill no more. Sip your Hennessy and weed. We dey read no more. We dey read no more.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Chill no more. Chill no more. Chill no more. Bad girl when you step out. See a lot of man them a fall out. Coming around me a bash out. Tell them batty boy them make them get out. Cause when me step in at the hood, man them know. Me a the boy with you run the show. When me step in at the room, girls them know. See them a wine it up and down. When me step in at the hood, man them know. Me a the boy with you run the show. When me step in at the room, girls them know. See them a wine it up and down. Come make we can chill. We dey chill no more. We dey chill no more. Sippy Hennessy and weed. We dey weed no more. We dey weed no more. Come make we can chill. We dey chill no more. We dey chill no more. Sippy Hennessy and weed. We dey weed no more. We dey weed no more.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Everyone now me name the ring. Them done me I just begin. They feeling the boy, yeah they feeling me. Style them bad but me on the key. Cause when me step in at the hood, man them know. Me a the boy with you run the show. When me step in at the room, girls them know. See them a wine it up and down. When me step in at the hood, man them know. Me a the boy with you run the show. When me step in at the room, girls them know.
Wow. This next video moved from number 4 to number 3 this week. If you followed the show last week, you will know exactly who I'm talking about. It's the money hitmaker who's planning to visit Sierra Leone for the first time after 17 years. It's Valentino with My Dream. I'm living my dream? Definitely yes, I'm living my dream.
Oh, see how they fly now. Hey, now. Hey, now. Shine record. Hey, now. I'm on this journey. I am. Mama, thanks for your blessing. No matter what test me. I am Papa blessing. Hey, but when I left, success don't come out. We don't lock it down now. No playing around now. Hey, not a back down. But nobody know. When I know worry, I was born ready. Born ready. My dream. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. I'm living my dream. I'm living my dream. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. I'm living my dream. This I know, yeah now. Oh no. Why you the vex? Cause my life don't change. You can do the same. Before they don't like me, they don't like me. Now they like me, now they like me. Money don't come, oh, yes, so anything I do not like, oh, yeah. Even I'm bad, they like, oh, they like. Because I'm living my dream. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. I'm living my dream. I'm living my dream. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. Give up, yeah. I'm living my dream. Aquaba hold me down now, brother. Bad man won't pull me down. I refuse to. Get what? Sure with blessing. Anywhere I go.
Well, if you're just joining us, we are moving to our number 2 video for this week. This video was number 1 last week, but this week he's taking the number 2 spot. He's one of the dopest musicians around. Do you know who it is? It's Terror D featuring Solid Star with Levels.
Yeah. You keep Terror D.
P-Banks. Makeup.
Solid Star, what's up?
See me when I'm coming, everybody jumping. See a lot of girls, them screaming, fine girls, them creeping. See we pull up in the beamer, the money there, yeah. We be chilling with Obama, levels there. Yeah, we know the idol. Anywhere you want go, baby. If I trip you, you know go want go.
We're making big money, fat money. We never fall, we just elevate. The sky is my weakness. Spending big cash is my weakness. Remember the time when we be in the hustle? Girl, it didn't pass no people bad yai. But now we doing it big time. I'm right here chillin' solid big time. Drunk in love with your dopeness. That you big booty in me dream place. Shake your booty, girl, put it on replay. Walk it, girl, put it on display.
When I'm coming, everybody jumping. See a lot of girls, them screaming, fine girls, them creeping. See we pull up in the beamer, the money there, yeah. We be chilling with the Obama, levels there, yeah. We know the idol, anywhere you want go, baby. If I trip you, you know go want go.
We making money and we elevating. We know the Detroit. Plenty girls, so all over the place. Acting funny like Trump. We don't give a f***. Funke, Halima, see I get the power. Making fast money like an athlete. Michael Power. Girl, your booty got magic. I swear you got that.
When I'm coming, everybody jumping. See a lot of girls, them screaming, fine girls, them creeping. See we pull up in the beamer, the money there, yeah. We be chilling with the Obama, levels there, yeah. We know the idol, anywhere you want go, baby. If I trip you, you know go want go. I'm a steady ball, I know holiday. Making million almost every day. Plenty money chilling in the.
It's almost time for our #1 video, but first, a quick recap from number 10 to number 2. At number 10 is Raheem the Wizard with Kiss For You. Drizzy Lick with Adegode Bet takes the number 9 spot. At number 8 is Ray with Ray Don't Come. Jane Peters with Massacre takes the 7th spot. At number 6 is Double Bangs with Murder. At number 5 is Camouflage with Special Love. Bal Kelly takes the number 4 spot with Chill No More. At number 3 it's Valentino with My Dream. And at number 2 is Terra D featuring Solid Star with Levels. It's time, guys, so let's do a drum roll for the #1 video because I can't wait to call it. This artist is dope. When we say female rappers, she comes first and she never disappoints with her lyrics and her videos. It's my sister from another daddy. From Boom Bam Boom, it's now an hip-hop gospel song, Yesu. It's Empress P featuring Mackie Scott. In the beginning, there was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So I call my Yesu Lord. Check it out.
Yesu, dreams, all the way. He says, I am the word, I am the light, I am the peace that knows no fight. I am the wrong, I am the right. I made a day, I made a night. I am the mighty man in battle. I am the one he should go when he hustle. I am that I am. I bring a peace and joy with no tussle. I made the land, I made the hills, I made the fishes to live in the sea. I gave my son to die for your sins. So if you ask me now, you will receive. I am the things that you can wish for. I am the peace that you can feel. I am the money that you can kill for. I am the king that you can't kill.
He lifts you higher, Yesu. May your name be lifted, Yesu. God of Elijah, now you lie, Yesu. Nobody know they like you, Yesu. We lift you higher, Yesu. May your name be lifted, Yesu. God of Elijah, now you lie, Yesu. Nobody know they like you, Yesu. Yesu.
In the beginning
there was a word, and the word was with God, and the word was God. So I call my yes to Lord. Me, I go praise me God like a soldier. Cause when they see me, them wonder. They say them are bad, but me badder. So I'm flying the best that I can. Yes, now yes to they walk up on top the sea. He raised the dead, he healed the sick. Now yes to they make the blind to see. In his name, everybody is free.
Lift you higher, yes, lift him higher. May your name be lifted, yes, your name be lifted. God of Elijah, now you not, yes, now you. Nobody know they like you, yes, we will lift you higher, yes, lift you higher. May your name be lifted, yes, God of Elijah, now you not, yes, now you. Nobody know they like you, yes, yes, in your name all sickness will bow. In your name all witches will flee. Demons tremble at the mention of your name. Hey, now you know we got it. When you stretch forth your hands, there is power everywhere, anywhere. There's no one like you. We will lift you higher, yes, lift you higher. May your name be lifted, yes, God of Elijah, now you know, yes, nobody know they like you, yes, we will lift you higher, yes, lift you higher. May your name be lifted, yes, your name, God of Elijah, now you know, yes, nobody know they like you, yes, yes,
And that's the end of the top 10 for this week. But don't forget, if your favorite video is not on the countdown chart, simply send your votes to the official top 10 at gmail.com or via WhatsApp and text message to the number +232 78 500. You can also follow me and send your votes to my inbox on Instagram at Sienna Wright. You can keep it a date every Saturday night at 8 p.m. and a repeat on Thursdays at 11 p.m. If you missed all of that, you can catch us on YouTube at Salon Talent or type Sienna Wright. I've been your girl Cece. Till next week, over to you, Bash.
Yes, we still get Mahmoud in the studio, and many thanks to you, Sienna Wright, for the top 10 videos countdown. You still watch Salon Talent live here on Star TV channel 21, and on the internet it's www.starradiosl.com. Mahmoud, let's focus now on things that we would admire back in the days, right? What are the best you like for do?
I always like for in a studio. I always like for in a studio.
So you play ball, you watch film?
Pin at the pin and me right now, so I will play ball in this year, all stars will get game. The kind of pin sick. But my own time all in a studio, a week in the morning. And for the guy go in a studio, come on our studio canals, watch more film, and then if I get more time, I can go in a studio.
One time the way your voice be all over a couple of other songs, if you know harmonize for posting, you go do intro, and people will listen to you be the waste you trade.
Yeah, I know, right? But I can tell you, man, that's me. People still continue for dance to me in songs. And look like camera with the out right now. As it starts, person will just have to put them back and then see for get the voice back. Like it just depends on how you get for. You work with people. If you see this person get talent, don't really put on a pose like when you go sing with person, like we not get now they up there then. You have to kill the talent.
Okay. Now you say you're a producer now. You get any plan for doing professionally in an education way? Because now you don't do out of experience, you don't watch people in finger, you don't do well now. But you have any plans for go college and see how best you can get paper in this thing?
Well, and then we don't get certificates for our Okard School Network. It's also a meet Negadon, also a Sabi Negadon. We all go do another side, Okard School Network, with some white people in Watchal, Canada. But as my colleague don't say, I'm going to plan for go overseas very soon. I would like to spend 2-3 months. They learn more because I'm for Sabi more. I post an entire for learn. Every year, like when new song come out, I get for get that CD, they listen. Because me no will be the hits maker for every year. Yeah. It's not possible. So you get for learn from other people and then.
See how best yourself can produce.
Yes.
What are your best artists?
Well, I always say Negadon.
Negadon.
Yes, because now I start off the post have that man, so I still that man back to salute for him. And I always get down there for him.
And the best song we look for Negadon?
Oh, I got one new song we don't come out. Dori Dori Mama Kura. That song, man. Every day I play on the motor car.
Okay, what about you best footballer? You best alone footballer really?
I get me guy Kai Kamara and still get the same baba. But me extend because me no get afia na me abuku Kai Kamara.
Best.
I'm the best and I'm a close person.
And the best female school you like?
Best female school. And I will talk around and let me find the day.
Lots of possible you want for future. If Kabaka say okay, Mahmoud, all man they pick one possible future inside our next project. What do you want to get some?
Well, the thing now, me the person me get na me heart, they see that person they no go one time for me. But I will tell you other interview. Promise.
Okay, you get a pen and song with flavor. Fans then don't say a lie, the song don't
I know.
What's the happen with the song?
I don't know management process and all, but now thank God for KME on top of them all.
So the song not ever come out all?
The song, by the grace of God, people don't go hear me in flavor, Mahmoud in flavor. Because I get someone fan they say, Mahmoud, you want to sing I like? We they sing you lot. So say, well, this me fan they want. I would try by all means for CNC. They come out through KME.
Despite Omojuba and Kamia, what song do you promote right now?
I get Slow Wine, we in one day. I get Aminata, we are with Crack Twist and Samsa.
What about the song with Webber Spice?
Yes, I tell you, I see too much songs. So, but I promote the all though. That's small, see.
People don't necessarily need for focus now for to do videos for your songs then.
Yeah, well.
Because it don't take a long time past that when it's in a KMA video, you have to do videos.
I know. Me na post select for take me time.
What's happening money not do?
We already perform on stage, na dollar would it to so many people don't witness that they would it to $1. But when people like for take with time. I wanna watch out for the next video. For me own video, I don't say we next video, my own video. Aminata. We see the setup. Pictures them without trees now. We go know what's up. It's KME baby.
So you final advice to the industry and the fans?
Well, and to the industry, we need to come together as one. Let we left for the do we self in a corner in the not to wait until what happened then they say, well, that's so the thing for let we come pray together. We need to forget love in this industry. Without love, nothing else for can, no blessing in the show in the industry. So let we try to forget small love. So get about that thing, but so we can use and small.
And to the fans? And
to the fans then, I love una so much and I will continue for love una. More songs coming. I think you get what I say.
Empty one person.
It's not going to see you. Abaka, see you, man. I always see you. Yeah. And special thanks to you, man.
Alright, so who's verse you are left family with?
Song them boku. Okay, let's just give Aminata because I'm my favorite song right now. And then I'm see you, your favorite song right now. Oh baby, what you feeling is true. Feeling is true. Even when you smile, my girl, I can see it in you. My love, there is no one like you. Go search for that song, Aminata.
Many thanks. What you take time for joining me.
Yeah, thank you.
I beg you go and make an come.
I ever call you to stay for the group and interview in the side.
Many thanks to you, Mahmoud.
Yeah.
Elena Mahmoud, aka Watalara, Mr. Skinny, Mr. Potential American Man. You see the man I behave like possibly don't do America for long. And he represents KME.
Yes, you don't know.
Alright, so many thanks to you guys. We'll come back shortly and wrap up the show. Yes, many thanks to you all taking your time to view this wonderful show. It has been very interesting. Many thanks to Mahmoud representing KME, to my guy, there's Philo and the rest of the team, Danny, Ezekiel and Gus. And to you, Sienna, for the top 10. We love you all. Keep watching Star TV on Channel 21 and on the internet broadcast at www.starradiosr.com. Till next week, I've been your guy Bosh and have a wonderful weekend.